Hello and welcome back. It's Helen Godden here, and we're up to December 10 of our Christmas Countdown Quilt-a-long. So far we've done 9 of our petals, so we're still working on our second poinsettia over here, and I'm looking at this petal here, the one that's kind of pointing down, and I have drawn with my friction pen that curved spine. I'm going to show you a variation on a feather. I actually think of this as wheat, as a wheat design, as in the grain, but you might see it as something else, but that's how I see this one. So the magic of this design is that center vein is not actually stitched. We use it to place our stitching, but it disappears later. And I'm actually doing the two sides of the feather at once. But what you need to make sure is that when you do your stitching and you come up and come down, go next parallel to the previous one. Don't launch out high, come in close to your previous line of stitching. And that's what I'm actually saying to myself, is go close. So from here I go close, and from here go close, go close, okay. Now I am just noticing that little section there. I am going to sneak down my ditch and add one little curve there just to really make it look finished. And doesn't that make a difference? Okay, so that's a variation on a feather for you. Some of you have been asking, what are we going to do with these little extra petals? We've got one there, we've got one here, ones that I'm not actually stitching into, but they sort of make up the whole flower. So what I'm thinking, before we've finished all our red stitching, I'm going to come back in with a very tight stipple just to fill those areas and to make them look more red. And in that way they'll stand out as being petals, part of the flower, rather than being background. So at any time that you wish to jump in there for a bit extra play one day, just go into those extra little ones and do some stippling. But otherwise, I will see you tomorrow for December 11. See you later. Bye. Happy quilting.